We have tried everything we can to get this bitch working. And what happens? Oh, it's not plugged in. Oh, okay, it's plugged in.
Ah. Whoa. Guys,
Oh shit, the fan needs to go on.
Guys, it turned on.
Oh shit, oh shit. Yeah, oh shit. Ow! Ow! Oh no! Oh no. Oh, fucking lovely. Oh. Now it's stopped. Lovely. Now my Xbox is really fucked. Oh. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, this time.
Put the fan on top.
Oh.
Did you break the fan?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Everything's under control.
Okay. Let's try this shit again.
Oh, fuck. That didn't. Oh my god. That didn't help at all.
Oh man. Okay. Gonna have to get some
I don't know, man.
prestige.
It tastes like a fucking creamsicle. Yeah, I know. I got it home.
Some strategic
I kind of
method.
dig it.
Fucking fix this bitch. Okay.
You want a piece of Trident Splash?
No. Okay, here. We got some strategics here. Some strategics. So this thing's overheating. Hang on.
Smash up that gray box, too.
Hang on, no. It might work. Let's put a battery in between. No, this
Not.
okay. I think the battery's dead though. Okay, maybe we should fix that a little bit. Hey mom, my Xbox is royally fucked. Like it's here, look. Try and turn it on. Alright. Let's try it again.
How did it get broken like that?
It's got overheated. Oh my god.
You didn't shut it off?
Never mind, I fixed it.
Yes.
I fixed it. You see, people, this is just how it's done. This is how you fix your Xbox, I guess. Hang on, something's not right. Oh, my hard drive. Okay. Yeah. What? It's really chill.
Really?
It's like, alright. Anyways, fix this shit. How come it has no sound? Oh, okay. Oh no, it's not play something.
Oh. Play tunes, man.
Yeah, let's play some tunes.
Yeah.
Alright, I can't believe my Xbox is actually working, guys. I'm like kind of blown away. This is like maybe the 5th time we attempted to fix the Xbox, and it's actually not turning off.
Yet. It looks kind of bunged up. Wow. It's just all bifurcated and shit.
What is?
The Xbox.
Oh well, it's just the way my Xbox is. I can't believe it's working. It's a miracle. What I learned today. Fix an Xbox with brute force.
Where it's at.
Yeah.